Hi, good evening. My name is Elmerson Yulimarti Cabaong from Block 19. So, let's start. So, yun. Sa video na ito, ipapaliwanag ko kung paano yung step by step ng solution sa mga problem tungkol sa system of equation of linear equation sa napanood ko sa YouTube na tinuro ng aming teacher na si Sir Frankie. Ipapakita ko kung paano gamitin yung elimination, substitution at simplification method para makuha yung tamang sagot. So, first is (3x plus 7y equal 12), then 4x minus 8y equal 1 minus 1. Then x plus 4 slice 12, x plus 28y equal 48. Then x3 slice 12x minus 24y equal 3 minus 3. Para malis yung x is imumultiply natin sa first equation ng 4 at yung second equation ng 3. Then 12x plus 28y and equal 48. Then 12x minus 24y equal minus 3. Then add equation na natin. 12x plus 28 28y slice and 12x minus 24 slice and equal 48. Then slice 3. Total is 52. 52y equal 20. 51y. So 51 slice 22. X is Solve for y. Solve natin yung y. Ano? Yung frac ng 52 to 51. Then, next is substitution. Substitute and y. Substitute natin yung value ng y sa first equation para makuha yung x pagkatapos ng solving. Then 3x 7, then copy 51 and 22, slice, then 12, slice 3x equal 26, 25, 22 x equal 89 to 22. So final answer is x equal 89 to 52. Then yung y is 51 52. That's his final answer. Number 2 na tayo. Copy lang natin yung nasa paperworks. Minus x plus y equal 1 plus 1 x plus y equal 3. Then dito is i-add yung equation kapag pinagsama natin. Then solve for y. Ano? Ito. X plus y slash plus y, x plus y, and copy minus 1, then plus 3 copy, then 2y and 2 minus y equal 1. Ano yun? Nanggal yung negative. Then substitute natin sa y. Second equation. Then x plus 1 copy, and 3 minus x equal 2. And the final answer is 2, then y equal 1. That is final answer. So 3 tayo sa 3. Copy lang din natin yung ulit yung nasa question sa paperworks. y equal 2 minus 3x plus 3y equal 10. Ayan. Eliminate natin sa y. I-multiply natin sa first equation by 3 at the second equation by 2. Okay? Ayan. Proceed tayo sa proceed x slash 2 x minus 6y equal negative 6, then 2 slash 6 x plus 6y equal 20. Total is 18. X equal 14, negatives x equal 7y. Next, i-add equation na natin siya. Solve for x. Substitution yung x. Substitution natin sa first equation para makuha si y. Katapos solving sa y. Okay, papakita ko. 8, 7 and y slash negative 2y equal to negative 2 slash negative 2y equal negative 7y. G. Then negative y, copy. Then kaya nakuha is 37. G. The final answer is copy yung 7y 7 and G slash and y to baba lang natin 37 and G. Ito yung final in answer. So yan, proceed tayo sa part 2 muna. Part 2. So ang part 2 natin is copy lang din natin yung nasa paperworks. For x negative 16 equal 3x plus 2. Then for x negative 3x equal 2 plus 16. For x3 total is 18. Copy natin yung x and 18. That is the final answer. And proceed tayo number 2. Copy lang din natin yung nasa paperworks. 5 negative 6 dash x negative 2 and equal 5x negative 1. 5, baba natin yung 6 x plus 1. 12 equal negative 5x and negative 1. Copy lang din natin ulit. So, yan. Nakuha is 17, negative 6, copies x and y. Then, negative 5, x, negative 1. The third, 6, copy natin yung 6, x plus 5x equal negative 1. Then, to 17. So, yan. 7. 18. Nakuha natin is 18. Negative x equal 18. So, final answer is 18. That is the final answer. So, yun. So, yung reflection natin sa activity na sa Paperworks na ito is natutunan ko kung paano gumamit ng iba't ibang method sa pagsosolve ng equation tulad ng elimination at substitution. Then, natutunan ko rin kung yung kahalagaan ng pagiging maingat sa sign, syempre, at operation para makuha yung tamang sagot. Then, ito naman is magagamit natin sa higher mathematics at maging sa real life problem solving. So, yun. And that's all for my video presentation. Thank you for listening my video.